Morning traders, Bruce Michael here, key level trader. Watching this SKM Telecom this morning. Going to take it short here at 1717, which is the actual low of the day. It's just a hair above my normal trigger. Um, Market is up strong. This stock is really weak. Not usually a big mover, but on the daily, you can see for this is the last month. This is breaking down pretty good today. I don't know what the news is behind it, but I'm looking for it to follow through to the downside and hopefully make me some money here today. So as soon as this order triggers, I'm only a penny away. Matter of fact, I'm just going to sit out here for a second, see if we can get filled. As always, my stop is going to go in a 0.5% initially, which will be about 25. And I'm going to cover this if we come back to 25. Worst case scenario would be about 250 bucks. And hoping we can get down below this this low here and then keep on going. All right. As soon as we get some further developments, we'll be back. Okay, we are near the low of the day here. We're sitting right about $17. We're up about 500 bucks, and right now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to move my stop up to this high here, this rally high of about 1712. Don't want this to come back on me. At that point, you don't want to be up again. As I've said before, you don't want to be up several $100s and then wind up losing on the trade. So you got to make sure you always adjust those stops and protect yourself. And hopefully this is going to continue on down. I'm looking for, this is my next target here. It's roughly 1665 or somewhere around there. And looking good. Market's strong, as I said, 87. Excuse me. Nasdaq's up 35, so you can see there's some really good strength in the market today, but this is exceptionally weak. So I'm going to stay with it, and hopefully we'll come down and reach my target. Quick update on this SKM. You can see it came down here, and it's just kind of hovering right. I guess it's near the lows, but it's giving me agita. It's taking so long for this thing to come down. The thing is, with this stock, we got about where are we? 560 million shares outstanding on this thing. And when you have that many shares in the float or that's outstanding to be traded, they tend to move fairly slow, which is why I said earlier that you can see just from these 130-minute long candles here, they're always pretty narrow. This is a measurement, this line down here, by the way, of the spread percent of each one of these candles. So you can see the spread percent in general for almost a 2-hour time period is rarely above 1.5%. Today's action withstanding, that is. And that's probably why it's moving as slow as it is, but I'm not going anywhere. I got all day, and as long as this continues to work for me, I'm going to stay with it. Alright, pause it up here. Okay, we're currently at the low of the day, 1690. We finally broke down through that area it was holding at previously. And just, you got to look at this. I mean, you got huge volume. Every one of these candles is a red candle. And I can't find any news out on this thing. I don't know why it's coming down the way it is, but it's very unusual. So this is a Korean telecom stock, by the way. So there's maybe something going on over in Korea that hasn't found its way here yet, as far as news is concerned. But for the time being, as I said earlier, I'm going to hold on to this thing and continue to do so as long as it works for me. I am, however, going to move this stop. I'm going to lock in. Let's make it at least 400 at this point, which is about half of what we got now. So if we retrace back up 50%, we're going to get out of it, and I'm going to continue to keep you updated. Hey, I don't know how long I've been gone on this recording, but it's been a while. But just giving you a quick update here. We are near the lows of the day, testing that 1680 level, which was hit. These are 30-minute candles, by the way, so I mean that was hit almost an hour ago. This trade nonetheless continues to work for me as slow as it is, and I'm going to stay with it, but I am going to move this stop up to the high of this candle of almost an hour ago. It's now 12:46, so it was that high? That was 1694. which should lock me in at least $500 or $600. 1694. Yeah, that would lock us about 700. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna let it go. So worst case scenario here is we're gonna close this thing out with about $700. That's if it should come back and test this high here. And if it continues on down, I'm really looking to get down here to this 1660 level, somewhere around there, maybe 1665, which would be, this is that would be about a $1,500 trade. Matter of fact, I think I'll even go for 1,500 even at 1668 should we get down there. But I'm not going to count those chickens until they hatch, of course. So I'm gonna just put this on pause again, and as the day progresses, it's 12:47 now. Again, we got the Dow is up strong, 95 points. Nasdaq up 38, 39, and S&P up 13. Okay, it appears that this stock has found its bottom at 1680. I'm up 870 right now. I'm going to close this trade out. Not going to give any of this back. And we're going to call it a good trade. $870, not bad. Took a long time. I mean, a lot of agita in there, but I got to get rid of it. And profit was about actually $850. So we'll take it. That's not a bad morning's work, even though we're at 1 o'clock now. And hope you enjoyed this. Hope you learned something about trading stocks that have a lot of shares in them, in the float that is, because they don't move very quickly. So if you ever decide that you're going to get into day trading or are, you may want to consider using that as a possible indicator to help screen out some of the stuff that is not going to move for you. All right, hope you enjoyed it, and I hope this served you well. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching.